Hello, good evening. I am Ramesh here. As we know, the Ukrainian-Russian conflict ongoing this past week. We're going to see the causes and current with whether the future implication of the conflict to the region and the whole. So before I start my video, please subscribe, share my channel and my video, and leave comment on comment section. Okay, good evening to everyone again. I'm Ramesh. As long time not see all, I do this video to discuss or share some of the facts regarding the Ukrainian and Russian conflict, which is become ongoing conflict or highlight for past 2 weeks. Okay, first of all, you should know that Ukraine is the part of the Soviet Union before the collapse of the Soviet Union after 1991 due to the economic process of the Soviet Union, which is collapse. It made the Soviet Union become Russian Federation, and it's colonized or part of the Soviet Union land become independent after collapse of the Soviet Union. First of all, if no Soviet Union is a communist before 1991, and the Ukraine is a part of the Soviet Union before the 1991. What are the causes of the conflict? First and foremost, the Ukraine is a part of the Soviet Union country, which is gained independent after the collapse of the Soviet Union. Ukraine is a country which is rich of natural gases and oil, which is believed to have oil reserve or highest oil reserve after the Saudi Arabia. Ukraine is the country which is share border with Russia and the European countries. As we know that the Ukraine become a country which is doing trade with the Russia and the European Union. Ukraine become a developing country. In this century, after people of Ukraine choose to join the NATO, which is, as we know, that NATO is a military treaty which is can help each of the member to curb any of the military or security threat which is posed by any other country to the NATO member. So first of all, Ukraine is current status want to join the NATO treaty, which is called stay havoc on the Russian Prime Minister or President Russia Putin make the Putin threat the Ukraine with the military annexation. So it can lead to the even World War III. So after Putin tricked the Ukrainian to annex the Ukraine, the Western allies, American and Britain, first of all try to help or promise to help the Ukraine in case Russia invade the Ukraine. But since situation after the Russian military entered the Ukrainian border, there's none of the Western country take action to curb the Russian army from entering the Ukraine territory. After all, Western countries like America, together with the United Kingdom, post sanction on the Russian, which can lead to the economic crisis on Russia and even to the entire world. So far, till 25th of January 2022, Russian military has been successfully entered the capital of Kyiv to take control the whole country. So even after the military action by the Russian against the Ukraine, the American and Britain haven't taken action militarily to curb the Russian invasion. So it seems to be Western promises to help the Ukraine to curb the Russian invasion militarily like a dream. There's no conclusion that the Ukrainian army will be overcome the Russian army to gain victory over Russia. So it seems to be, although the President Vladimir Putin promised not to colonize the Ukrainian land, but the Russian hegemony over the Putin hegemony over the Ukraine is unavoidable. Then the President Joe Biden seems to be worth promising campaign in a Ukrainian issue. So it's a failure to Ukraine to trust the Western allies or the Western country, which seems to be an arch enemy of the Russian. Even the NATO treaty or NATO members fail to react properly to this conflict, and the president of the Ukrainian still appealing help from the Western countries. So the first and foremost impact on the Ukraine's economy will be damaged. The Ukrainian economy is said to be affected tremendously. The export will be affected as well as the import will affect the crude oil price to be increased. So those countries which is depend on the Ukrainian export will be affected by the crisis. So we hope that this crisis will be over as soon as possible, and we pray that this crisis won't turn to the World War III. Seems to be all the big countries or big powers silent on this issue. It seems to be political motive is become a foremost. Thank you. See you all next time.